Alright guys, I was absolutely, I don't know, confused or anything about the navigation option, because I want to get the off canvas menu 2 times, right? You already get it like 1 time for like if you using the generate press theme, but if you want it a second time, so if you want to have it like sliding in from the one side and also from the other side, then you need to have like 2. And I thought it would be like not a big deal, like still to this day it's for me like a little bit confusing, but yeah, to just duplicate this one off canvas menu or panel. But let me just like explain to you like how I understood to duplicate this function or this menu especially. So first thing is you need to, let me just show you, because I've created all of those snippets, because like ChatGPT said to me that it is possible to create it, to create or duplicate the off canvas panel or slash menu with only the specific code snippets. You don't have to change or add code inside the header.php or style.css or anything. So if you don't have those files, because you just like duplicated the child theme or created a child theme, and there's like nothing in it, just the function.php, and you don't have any idea where you should put the code inside that everything should work, like just forget it. So maybe this one is not not necessary. So first thing is, like, there are 5 steps. First thing, you need to register the off canvas, the second off canvas menu, registering it. Let me just show you, you can see, so it's not a big deal, so just a small line of code. Then the second thing is you need to create it. This one is like mainly the HTML code from, maybe this one is not true actually, I think, because this one should be, I think, more, but maybe that's the reason why it's not working. But yeah, anyways, like first you need to registering it, then you need to clone it, like the whole, like some people also compare like the HTML with a skeleton, so you can do that. It's the skeleton of the homepage. So yeah, you need to duplicate or clone it, then you need to style it, so give it some clothes. And yeah, let me just open it up. You can see that's only for one. And also important, you like shouldn't mention the or like the already existing off canvas menu. You only mention the menu that you want to create. So that's the JavaScript, or like the CSS, sorry, and then of course the JavaScript, so that your skeleton with clothes also knows how to move, I would say. So yeah, that's the thing with the DOM content loaded and everything. I don't know if it, I have no idea what this code is really like making or anything, but like the goal should be exactly like, I want to have a second off canvas menu, but I have no idea if this really is a good code or anything. And also added a separate button for a secondary off canvas menu, so you have the button, also like the button option to select a off canvas menu, like a second off canvas menu. I've like wrote down like off canvas menu left, so now I have, of course I could like change this one to off canvas right, but yeah, whatever. So all about this one. So yeah, now I let it like leave this problem behind and just trying something else, because then I thought, okay, there should be any like a plugin out there, and there are plugins out there which like are allowing you to create more, like I would say like unlimited off canvas menus. Like most of the time they call it like flying menu or floating flying menu, whatever. So yeah, but I don't go like got like through this whole documentation. I don't know why they don't have any videos or anything. It's like so not understandable, this documentation. So yeah, I don't know. So then I was like, okay, now I have like completely brain fog, so let me just start from actually zero. So then I went to a complete like new installation of WordPress, and then I had a very nice light bulb. So for the understandable effect of the goal, like to build this website. So I've looked like at the generate press theme, and yeah, looked exactly, it's like almost the default right now, what you can see right here. And as you can see, those are like blocks. Like for the first time I thought this one, like all of those are like blocks, but they aren't. Like this one is, I think this one is also a widget, but like these three are widgets. This search bar up here is also a widget. So then I thought, okay, because this layout or structure is like almost the same, like I need to go to Key4Steam, like Key4Steam, because if you look at that layout right now, you can see we have like a big like like hero section or anything, or like hero image and or dynamic images or gallery, and then on the right side you have like a second, or like a second one, and then you have like all of those like dynamic preview images, or like sorry, preview games, and yeah, the rest is like all the same. So if you then look at this one, it's like the structure is like super close to like that already existing one. So then I thought, okay, what will happen if we completely like don't build this site with the elements and anything, so, and like create everything by our own. So let me just explain to you like the function, or like how the widgets are like really to understand, because it's not complicated. Right now, if you are like a bit confused, don't get confused, because this one you already know it. This one is just a like a better overview of like all of those blocks that already existing, or like yeah, you can take a closer look of everything. And on the right side, like if we close it, of course, then on the middle, like in the middle, you have like the actually the structure of the website, like in a widget perspective. So we have the right sidebar, we have the left sidebar. Then it's starting with the header. Then we have the footer. Then we have the footer bar, top bar, off canvas panel, inactive widgets. So if we then ask ourselves, okay, we want to have a, for example, a search bar inside our navigation, we can do that. Super easy, we can do that. So we can go inside our top bar, inside our header, and just putting a search bar inside. That's it. If we do that, we will have a search bar inside our header. Super easy. So then, of course, if we like, let me just go into the mobile. If we then like want to add some changes, because like right now you can see there's a little bit space, we can now of course go inside the DevTools and look where the spacing is. So we're looking, okay, I'm going on layout, like I'm right now on the Firefox DevTools, and now we are looking for the padding or margin that is given to a specific element right here or between those two. Okay, you can see 1.5 EM. So if we change it to 0, you can see it is like remove the space right here. So we can do that super easy with the additional CSS. So that's the perfect part, because we already have a search bar, but we only want to change like some very small changes. So I would say the goal should be to first put everything, like try to put everything inside like your website and put it like where it should be on the like position, and then add some custom CSS or like additional CSS. Sorry, of course you need to give it like a CSS class, a like specific CSS class, but you can also do that right here, because if we want to, like if we select the search bar right here, we can just opening up the like it's exactly the same like Gutenberg, right? It's the Gutenberg editor. So you can just click on the header, for example, because right now it's like a little bugging, but like I don't know. There you go. Boom. We can just like right now, because this one is like temporary, this change right here, because we just like removed it right here. So but we can learn from it and just looking at the class, for example, and like saving it, going into the additional CSS, and of course give it a class, like let's say search bar underscore, oh let's write everything like not caps lock or like not big, caps down, I have no idea, search bar, and yeah, let's call it like header. So of course we can edit, like update it, and then we can go into the additional CSS and just removing the padding right here. I have no idea why, like what's the code actually is, but it's super simple. Like this one should be, oh no, let me just do it. So let's open up a new ChatGPT chat, and so class, what was it? Where can we find it again? Here. Like, to go inside the DevTools and looking through it. Where is it? This one. This one was no. This one, nope. This one also. Where is, oh, this one, okay. So, oh, margin, yeah. Class header widget. So then okay, let's just see what we will get. Okay, margin bottom, important, primary, okay. So let's just see what we get. Because right now there is the thing. Is there anything? No, nothing happened. So what we need to do is margin bottom. No, it wasn't margin bottom. Margin top, right? So this one is like the margin top. Maybe we can change it by ourselves. Maybe margin top. Yeah. All right, guys. We've done it by ourselves. That's perfect. So now you can see they are like just 3 lines. I would say like combined just one, but super easy because we are like added everything that we want to have inside a like specific widget and then made some changes afterwards with like just some lines of code. That's it. And that's amazing. So let's continue the explanation about the widgets. So sorry for the quick like yeah confusing part, but so I don't know, like right sidebar, left sidebar. Okay, so what is this? If we just like looking inside, what is this? Okay, we have the archives and the categories, and for this one we have the search bar, the new posts and new comments. So if you're taking a closer look on the homepage, we can see, okay, on the right sidebar top we have exactly that. So this one is exactly what we are having inside here. This one, hello world, is, I would say, inside this one. So we have the archives and the categories. Nope, it's not there. So where is it? So it's, there is like something. Nope. Like, okay, this one. No, also not. Okay, I have no idea actually where it is, but yeah, let's forget it, or let's forget it. So yeah, that's like this. If you want to create a website fast, I would say, then you can do it perfectly inside the widgets. Because if you just take a look on this, like you can put everything inside the header on the Gutenberg baseline or like base, because you can like put also an image, for example, or a logo inside, or like a header, like nobody would do that, but yeah, or like for the footer or like the top bar in generate press or in generate blocks, I would say, or of course you need to add a element or a hook to add something inside a hook, or to create a top bar. So if we want to put, for example, a button inside, of course we want to have it, of course, flags, so we will do this one like this, and oops, putting it inside the container. And also inside the container we want to have at before we want to have just a paragraph, so let's just put inside here some lorem ipsum here, So here should stand like free shipping or anything. I have no idea. So let's just do that. And of course, because now it looks like a little bit, yeah, not really usable, we want to have it, of course, flags. So we're just selecting the container, making it flags. And oh yeah, we should like center everything and just refresh the page. Now you can see this one is like flags. And also maybe we can do this one, for example, or like make the, make the gap bigger, make it like 20, and then this one is okay. All right, and okay, this one should be like normal, but why this one is like just on the right side and not in the middle? Because yeah, if you're selecting like the widgets itself, then you have like no option to set something. So you need to create or like put something inside first, and then you can make some changes. So yeah, what is this? I think I need to give it a width of 100%. But this one should be already default, give it like 100%. Okay, I don't know like why this one. Maybe if we just adding another, okay, it's like right lined, I would say, not in the middle row column. If we make it like left, oh, we need to so now change or like delete the text also. Okay, okay, I have no idea, but yeah, we've added everything inside what we want, and then we can like make some changes, because we can now go inside the dev tools, for example, and just looking through it, you can like see, okay, there's like the container, and also with the like predefined width, so the 1200, and now you can go a little bit deeper. So this one is the block 40, and then you can see, okay, this one is like made like flags. Also why, okay, so inner padding block, so it looks like there is a grid. Yeah, you can see there is a grid container. So of course you can now, I would say you can yeah, change the container grid to just a container, so then there isn't a 2-column grid container inside there, because right now you can see there are like 2 columns, right? Like one on the right and one on the left. You can change it sorry, also with just some additional CSS. That's it. Okay, so super simple. Like, I'm explaining it as super simple, but not getting through it. But yeah, anyways. All right. Just for understandable reasons, I would say, because I couldn't, like, I didn't find any video out there that like explain it like that. And also like for all of those widgets, they are like, just, I don't know why people are not really like compare like everything, like the structure of the theme, and also how it affects, like the widgets affects the theme. So I couldn't find any video out there. Maybe I'm blind, but this one, like is also possible. Hit update, sorry. So that looks great. So for the other stuff, so for example, if we now, like, I need to understand, like, is this one the post, right? Maybe this one is the one. Oh, okay. So this one, no, okay, I understand. So what you can see right here is just a preview of another page. So if we click on it, we are on a post, right? Oh no, we need to click. Now we should be on it, yeah. Because in the URL it says exactly like this. Okay, so this one is the post preview. So what we can learn from it, we can learn that in here, what widget is this? If we go into appearance widgets, if there is a widget top bar, nope, it's not a top bar. Nope, also not this one, also not left sidebar. Maybe I've deactivated the left sidebar. I have no idea, but yeah. Header, footer. Okay, there is no widget for this. Interesting. What I've changed, like nothing, right? Because now I want to try to like build. Of course, I should literally go. Actually, I can do that already because we need to have a. Yeah, let's remove. We need to have the search bar finally. So let's just go inside here and just typing in search VP and installing it. And activating it. So now we can create a new one, and then you can see like a preview of it. Of course, you can like make some more changes. Oh, okay, we need, oh, sorry, there's like everything just for pro. So we can like have to leave it like that. Search button, we don't want to have it. Of course, the search label. Right. Yeah, that's fine. We don't have a button, so we leave it like blank. Then just hit save. After this one is like save, we can like it's just header search bar save embed Gutenberg search block. You can keep copying it. Yeah, okay. So what we can now do is we can go inside the appearance widgets and go to the header, just adding a short code block and putting the short code inside. So now we hit save and then we take a look. Now you can see, like I have no idea what's the search block, or maybe the upper one. Okay, that looks great. So, but now this one is not really like aligned with the main stuff. So maybe there is also, that's now the important thing or the fun stuff, because you can just go inside there and take a closer look, because maybe we will find it instantly, or maybe not, because there is a huge gap above. Or is this a... No, that's the... No, that's one. This one, yeah. Like there should be any spacer inside, or 25. Oh, is there a paragraph? No, right? But there is like a 25 margin. Right? Or maybe if we just adding inside here the search VP. I think search form, I think this one is it. Or what is this? Nope. It's not this one, but I think this one. Yeah. Now we can select like some and can remove this one. Hit edit, update, and upgrading it. Yes, okay. So there was any margin or whatever. So now same game, we can just give it like a specific class and make it like, or like just these two swap the position, should swap the position. So then yeah, we are done. It looks great. So this one should be like in the middle, or like a little bit in the middle, or we can also like, yeah, write the code exactly like that. This one is in the middle. So yes. Alright, so let me just, sorry for my explanation skills. I'm like really working on. Wait a second. Yes, because like the navigation right now is not looking like we want to have it. Like, I don't know where it was. Yeah, no. Okay, this one is like the goal, how we want to have it. But right now, where oh yeah, there it is. No. We want to have like the primary and also the secondary navigation. So yeah, this one is just the primary. So yeah, these 4 and below there should stand like these, and also the other keys for software and stuff. So yeah, and then how we can get it also inside a drop down menu. That's the part, yeah. And of course, maybe, because there is like no function for like adding below the header, right? So maybe there is the time where generate blocks is coming, because if the widget is like are on the limit, like is at the limit, then we can go inside the elements, yes, and create a element like Oh, wait a second. Man, this one is like the second off canvas panel should be possible to create, because then it will look like very nice. It's like super clean, of course, because right now I've like also, and also with this logo, for example, I've just added it inside the widget off canvas panel. You can add something inside there from like the widget section. Like here you can see it. And also I had to give it like a width, a fixed width, so then it's like it appears. Yeah, so it's also very smooth already. Okay, I need to find the solution, especially like for the second off canvas menu panel. I can also for the Ajax, if we just, yeah, that's the Ajax. Of course we can like put here inside, you need to type like 3 words, or like, no, not 3 words, but 3 letters, right? Or let's say PL, because now it's like, yes, so PlayStation. Now we will get like PlayStation and everything. And also, because this one should be like also with a little bit more detail, right? So maybe there's also an option where we can, of course there should be, because now we have the specific class for the, yeah, container that appears, right? That preview container from the search bar. So now if we want to have, of course, also a price, for example, if we're typing inside here FIFA, we can see the price right here. So what we can do is we can give it like a, no, we now have the class, and then we can go inside the additional CSS and writing a code that allows, or like add the specific custom field, right, where the price is standing inside the container, like on the right side, give it like the padding. And the same game is like with the, like the, yeah, oh man, the custom field, additional custom field with the platform, like on this one is like PC, on this one Xbox, PlayStation, and so on. And then the year, I would say the release date, and this one should be like the tags, yeah, all the categories. So yeah, that looks nice, that looks nice. So some small changes just. All right, so that one, that looks nice. That looks nice. But this the second off canvas menu is the thing. So I need to get it. Or completely change it. Like Key for Steam is having it. You just have your games, then you have your thing right here, and you will like land on a, if you go like on games, then you can see all of those games, and also you can like, then you rely on the filter function, right? You need to go inside the filter, and then you can select the specific filters, right? Yeah, but you have just one off canvas menu, right? So yeah, also an option. But yeah, of course I will not do like exactly like this one, but I can combine those two as I've had it. Where is it? Like there. Like this one, combine this one with, oops, with this one. So these two combined. Just combining these two. So like this one is standing right here, and also for the login and price alert and everything, this one could stand like down here. So it's like a bigger list, but whatever. You have like the main thing up here, the four main things. Of course, with a drop down, so it's not looking like super yeah, maybe this one is also an option, especially like for the 1.0 version of Keyforce Theme. Sorry, not Keyforce Theme, King of Key. So yeah, maybe it is. So I was talking a lot, so yeah, like I will try it again, like last time, to create a second off canvas menu for generate press theme. If I'm like not getting a solution, I will pass it like and let it let it be, or creating it like Keyforce Theme has it. Just one off canvas menu that like combine these two things, like the primary and secondary menu. Yes. Because if we go inside the mobile, for example, if we mobile menu, this one is like pre-defined. Can also give it a second. Oh no, sorry. For the second. Oh yeah, of course, because we don't have to combine like two menus. We can just selecting the off canvas menu. Yeah, leave, and put like every single page inside there. So not only these four, like all pages and also all drop downs. So we need to like click on everything. Yes, adding it. And then also, because we can do that, we can like put already existing pages that we like already had organized another time inside a other menu. So saving it and then looking through it, because the off canvas menu is like right now only activated for the mobile. So if we are, yeah, there you go. So now what we will have is this list right here with the specific drop downs. And of course, if we want to have this logo up here, we can do that. No problem. With just additional CSS, we can do that. So of course we can now give it like a bit more styling, and then we should good to go. We have like the main thing up here. Right now it's like not the case, but we can just make it like that. So this one is like the last. This one, save. Okay, now it looks great. And also with the icons, right? We can just adding, or adding the icons inside and mention the CSV. No, not CSV, SVJ, SVG inside the code. So then for these four, they will appear in front of a icon. So now that looks great, yes. And also give it like a color around. That's a great idea. Okay, that's a nice idea. Because it doesn't look like so big, so... Oh shoot, of course we're missing something. This list will be like a lot bigger. Yeah. Okay, we will try. But now I will try the last time with the off-canvas menu to creating it, the second off-canvas menu. So maybe I will get it or maybe not, we will see. But I'm open for everything. Thanks for watching, guys, and hopefully I helped you with anything. If you have still any questions, please let me know, write it down in the comments, and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.